Today we're going to show you guys how to install our Lander Series step bars on the side of a Jeep Gladiator. If your Jeep or Gladiator is lifted, the Lander Series is a perfect intermediate step for you to gain more access to get in and out of your vehicle. With that being said, let's get right into the installation. Now before we begin, make sure that all the parts are accounted for. Then we start on the passenger side, locating the 4 threaded holes along the underside of the rocker panel. For this installation, we'll only be using the first, second, and fourth hole locations from front to rear. At the first hole location in the front, go ahead and install the front mounting bracket. Note the difference between the tab sizes between the front and rear mounting bracket. After that, proceed to install the T-shaped support brackets to the pinch welt and attach it to the mounting bracket. Don't fully tighten any hardware until we perform adjustments in the end. Moving on to the second hole location, same thing. Note the difference between the center and rear support bracket. The center bracket has a hole punched and the rear bracket has a notch at the top. Finish off the bracket installation at the fourth hole or rear hole location. When you're ready, recruit help from someone to lift the bar and place it onto the mounting brackets. Go ahead and install the bolts into each location without tightening. After that, adjust and level the bar. Now you should go ahead and tighten all the hardware. Repeat the same steps for the driver's side, and now you're finished.